Why can't women follow directions? Ryan here. Silly reviews. We're over at my local fitness center. We've got all the cardio equipment here, which is great. You get worked up, nice and sweaty, burn the calories, but this is what's not great and really annoying. Let's read this together. Please use 2 hands to remove gym wipes so there isn't excess wipes hanging out. If so, they'll dry out. Thank you. 3rd grade reading comprehension skills, but here's how the women always leave the wipes. In contrast, here's how the guys always leave the wipes. I'm going to give you 10 quick seconds. Leave a comment. Is it because they can't follow directions, are inherently lazy, can't read, or is it female privilege? Leave a comment. The little bit of extra motivation I needed to make this video, I was waiting for the Stairmaster, the stair climber, to become available, and this lady was on there for a long time, sweating it up, working hard. Good for her. Not only did she haphazardly and one-handedly pull those wipes out, leaving that wasteful wipe to dry out. It was like the whole thing was a charade, a performance. Like she knew I was watching, possibly. Am I the creepy guy at the gym? That's something I have to think about. But go ahead, read the notices, do the right thing, look out for your fellow man, and dispose of your trash. It's not hard to be decent. Subscribe! And turn on notifications.